You guys, it's Megan. Say hello. Hello.
Yeah.
Hi. There you go. Cross them legs. Ooh, the sun looks dope.
Everything that happens is motivation.
Forgive my attire, but today's my day off, so I'm trying to be productive. I cleaned the kitchen, I should say deep clean the kitchen. I'm making some lunch right now and about to get my life together, you know, maybe hook these eyebrows up a little bit, I don't know, maybe do a little facial or something. So, yeah. I kind of feel like a crusty bum. Hey, you know what? It's okay, because it's my day off. Because the moment I step out this house, I'll be looking like a hot tamale. Not all the time. But yeah, I kind of look like a little peacock, like a little cockatoo or something. Little feathers going on up there. But yeah, so that's just kind of my day right now. Forgive my look. I look a little crazy. But, yeah. So we're probably going to do some juicing today. It's our day off. Well, my day off. Made some lunch. Probably going to juice a bunch of stuff. And I don't know, probably just chill out. Because it's really hard for me to just sit around on my day off and not do anything. So I'm going to try. I sure the hell am going to try. Like, I already deep cleaned the hell out of the kitchen. So I look crazy. I also made some lunch. Got everything prepared to start a juicing. And we do a lot of smoothie bowls, like acai bowls, so to cut up all the fruit, freeze them and stuff, and yeah, so we're gonna try and be productive today, but still try and relax, and that's really hard for me, especially when I'm not working, because I'm always like work. Yes, some of my packages came today. We're gonna open them and see what they are. Okay, so this one is the little makeup. This one's the flight attendant bag. Put all your goodies in it. Forgive me. I'm using the camera on my phone. My camera's charging right now, so it is backwards. So I got 2 more of the travel time. So it's very similar, exactly the same, very similar as a flight attendant. I just changed it because not everyone is a flight attendant. So why not use travel time? Again, I apologize. I'm using my phone camera because my other camera is charging, so forgive me. Everything's mirror effect. You get what I'm saying? So it's backwards. Travel time. Flight attendant. Let's see what else I got. These packaging, man. Oh, the fanny pack. The fanny pack. These are so cute. I want to wear it right now. I might wear it today. Oh, baby. That's the one thing that I love about fanny packs, is they have this hidden little, you know, put your funds, put your car keys, your hotel key, your phone, credit cards, whatever, but I like how it's here. So it's always, you know, however you want to wear it. If you want to wear it here, you know, here, I'm going to wear it here. You know, I'm going to wear it here, like, hey, what's up? No, it's cute. It's strong, it's durable. And then it has a little net in here, the mesh. Let's see, but so inside you have the little mesh separator. You know, you can see through it. And then right here, it's hard to see, but these are like for your cards, hotel key, debit cards, credit cards, whatever, ID. But it's so cute. Not all fanny packs have that. Then there's another zipper in here. And another storage. For it being a smaller fanny pack, like, you can hold a lot in here. And this is like, it's durable. Got a big old clip. Hey, You got a big old clip. Okay, I'm getting weird, but you feel me? You know, hey, what's up? What's up? All right, I'm getting a little weird. All right, guys, so this is the fanny pack, the Fly Girl I was saying. Again, I was using my phone due to my other camera charging. So this one's the flight attendant, and it is black. And then this one is the pink travel time. And it's pink. Alright guys, so this is the next day. I'm trying this new cafe called Moon Valley Cafe. Those cinnamon rolls look amazing. Those are pecan cinnamon rolls? Oh yeah, I'm definitely trying that. So we're going to try it out. I hear they have great breakfast specials. And, you know, I'm down to try some new things. $4.99? Hold up. $4.99? Okay, let's do it. I am getting the biscuits and gravy with bacon and eggs. So I'm about to mess this up. I'll see y'all in a little bit. Hey guys, so I am back home and I really liked the new breakfast place that I tried today. It was called Moon Valley Cafe. I really liked it. So I got the biscuits and gravy there. It was really good. I think it was like $6.99 or something like that, but it was really good, like no lie. I mean, it ain't my mama's biscuits and gravy, but it's okay. It was good though, you know, a new experience, and kind of took myself out for breakfast today. I'm home now, so forgive the hair. I look a little crazy. But yeah, so I had a fun and productive day. Went and got my braces tightened and changed the color as well, so alright guys, so here's some of the Fly Girl apparel that I have, and recently opened a shirt that I made, as well as the fanny pack and makeup bags. This is the new white hoodie, currently on airplane mode, you already know, and I love this one. It's black, you can wear it with anything, it's comfy to travel in. And then you got my shirt with my new packing cubes ready for a trip. Thanks guys for supporting me, I always appreciate it, and don't forget to subscribe.